Product research is probably one of the most important things in dropshipping, and if you're not doing it the right way, you will fail. What's up, you guys? My name is Jaden and welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to be giving you a full tutorial on Big Spy, which is an ad spy tool that allows you to look at advertisements on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest. I mean, this platform has it all. So I've been using the platform for about 2 weeks now, so I kind of already understand, the ins and outs of it. I just recently made a YouTube short about Big Spy, and you guys seem to really enjoy the video, so I thought, why not just drop a full tutorial? For me, I'm always constantly trying out these different platforms because they all have different features, and Big Spy allows you to see TikTok ads as well as Facebook ads all on the same platform. So, I thought, why not try it out for a month and then give you guys a review? Make sure you stay to the end of the video because I'm going to be giving away something for free. If you watched my previous video, then you know exactly what this is, but it goes hand in hand with product research, and I know that each and every single one of you guys needs this. So anyways, I don't want to waste any more of your time. If you guys are excited for the video, make sure you go ahead and drop a like. That lets me know that you guys are enjoying the content here on the channel, and also hit that subscribe button. We are almost to 500 subscribers, and I appreciate all the new faces and all the people that have been supporting these videos. It really helps me keep pushing forward. And when you're seeing this, it'll be Friday, and I want to say that every single Friday from here on out, make sure you mark your calendars. I will be posting a video for you guys. It's one of my New Year's resolutions. I want to post weekly, and I don't want to miss a week all of 2022, but why not start now instead of waiting for January 1st? So mark your calendars. Every single Friday, you will be getting a video from me. And without further ado, let's get right into Big Spy. All right, you guys, so hopping right into my computer, this is Big Spy, the #1 free ad spy tool. I do want to say that it is free, but only for a certain amount of searches per day. It allows you to search through 7 different platforms: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, and TikTok, which is the reason why I signed up for it. When you're paying for a TikTok ad spy tool for $100 here and Drop by Spy for $40, for Facebook ads, I mean, that shit starts to add up. So it's kind of nice to be able to have a platform that allows you to search through all the different platforms. Also, I did do a full tutorial on Drop by Spy, which I use for Facebook ads. If you want to check that out, make sure you go ahead and check that out right here. And yeah, let's go ahead and get right into the platform. So you're going to click on search now, or you can go to the top and click ad spy and then click on ecom. It'll bring you right to this screen. So now you'll see this nice dashboard, and you'll see a bunch of different filters, and you'll be able to scroll through and see all the different types of advertisements. So I'm going to go ahead and just break down each one of these filters for you, so that way you can kind of get a better understanding of the platform. So starting at the top, you can search by ads info, or the ads text, or the social page, or the ecom info. I'm actually just going to put ads info, and then as you can see, I've already done searches for fashion and for pets, so I'm just going to do pets. And now you'll see that all of these advertisements are related to pets. And obviously, I think it's on TikTok. Let's put it back on Facebook for now. As you can see, there was only a little bit of results there, but now you'll see there's 53,814 results. And I'll explain here in a little bit why that is. But going on to the next section, e-com, gaming apps or non-gaming apps, you can pick whatever you want. I don't know why you would even want to use these two. I don't even understand why that's there, but you're going to choose e-commerce. And then for the selected, say for example, you wanted to delete some of the filters that you already have, you could just simply close them out right here. But for the site type, you're gonna choose, Shopify, which is what I use. If you use WordPress or you like WooCommerce, then choose that. You can also click right here and you can multi-select. So say for example, you wanna see advertisements that have WordPress sites or BigCommerce and Shopify, you can do that all at once and press OK. For the platform, pretty self-explanatory. Pick Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. They even have Twitter, Pinterest, Yahoo. So choose which one you want. I'm going to choose TikTok for this example. And then for this filter right here, you're going to want to choose your country. I'm going to choose United States. You choose whatever you want. For the type, now you're going to be able to see if you want to search up image ads, video ads, carousel ads, if you want them to be formatted in vertical, horizontal, like whatever type of ad you want to see, you can mess with it here. So for this, I'm just going to do video, and then I'm going to leave these all as all, and I'm going to press OK. And then for the language, you're going to choose English. If you speak Chinese, then pick Chinese or whatever I don't know why you would be watching this video, but we're going to choose English for this example. For the engagement, now here is where you're really gonna have to do some experimenting, because there's really no right or wrong answer when it comes to this, because depending on what types of ads you're searching for, it's gonna, you're gonna have to type in different criteria to find winning products, right? So for example, this is for likes, comments, and shares. I can choose a minimum of, let's just do 150 for each one. 150 likes, 150 comments, and 150 shares. And that's gonna bring up a certain type of product, right? Now it says no data. This is exactly what I was talking about earlier. The reason why it says no data is probably because there's no advertisements with that criteria for whatever you put in the search results. So you're gonna have to exit that out. And as you can see, now there's 19 results. But you may still be asking, why is there such small results? And that's because TikTok is fairly a new advertising platform. There's not as many advertisers on TikTok as there is on Facebook, right? So let's click on Facebook. Now you're gonna go from 19 results to 7,788. And I'm actually gonna keep it on Facebook now, just so that way you guys can see a lot of ads. The reason why you don't want to, how do I get out of this? Okay, so the reason why you don't want to leave this on all and not put some filters here is because then you're gonna be seeing all of the different advertisements, and you wanna see advertisements that have engagement. That's the whole point of these ad spy tools, is so that way you can look at different advertisements that are performing well in the market. So you want advertisements that have a bunch of likes, have a bunch of comments, have a bunch of shares. That's how you're gonna be able to know and validate the product and see if it's a winning product and worthy of you testing, right? So I'm gonna bump this up. I'm actually gonna put like 1,000 likes. It needs to have at least 1,000 likes, at least 500 comments, and 1,000 shares. And I'm gonna press OK. And it's gonna bring up a more niched down results. So now you'll see there's only 1,139 results, and you can go through these and see different products. So I'm gonna keep it at that for now and keep on going through these different filters. So you can do the different dates. You can do in the last 7 days and the last 30 days. Me specifically, I like to see what's working this month. So I would probably do 30 days, but I'm gonna keep it at 90 days for now. You can do, you can mess with the different times and get really specific by clicking this, and you can actually go by specific like dates. And then this right here, if you click on this, it'll only show you new advertisements that have been posted recently. And then as far as that goes, that's pretty much it. You can also sort by first seen, impressions, duration, popularity, likes, comments, and so on and so forth. So I'm gonna choose one of these advertisements. This one actually popped out to me because I saw this one on a spy tool, I believe. I'm not sure, but I'm just gonna click on this one because it looks like a product. As you can see, it's gonna show you the advertisement. It's gonna show you the actual ad copy. Let me pause this, you kind of get the point. But you'll be able to see the impressions, the popularity, the country, I mean, everything about this specific ad. Now, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna click on original post. So let's bring that up. But you can also copy their physical link to their website. I didn't get the whole link, but I'll add it in a second. Put the H in, good. So now that'll bring you to their actual product page. So you can spy on a competitor and see exactly what they're pricing it for, what their images look like, what their product description is, and just really get a good feel of the product before you actually go and sell it. Okay, and then this actually brings you to the physical Facebook ad post, so that way you can see like their headline, and you can see how many likes the post got. So it got 2,700 likes, 661 comments, and 1K shares. So this is a good sign of an advertisement that's performing well, right? So as I've said in my previous video about Drop by Spy, when I was showing you guys this ad spy or that ad spy tool, I told you guys about the comments. The comment section is probably one of the most important parts of this, because you're gonna be able to really get a feel of what the customers are saying about this product. So as you can see, love mine, use it with my meds. This is absolutely my new favorite. Got mine, love it, take it everywhere. This is a good sign that this product is very receptive of the customers that are purchasing it. But you don't want to just only focus on the positive comments. You want to focus on the negative comments as well, if there are any, because that is how you're going to be able to differentiate yourself from the competitor. So say for example, this comment right here said, you know, shipping time took long, it took 2 months, you know, never gonna buy again, right? You could come in and source the product better than this competitor, and you can, you know, already have an advantage over them because you offer faster shipping times or whatever the case may be. Just start paying attention to the comments because it's very, very important. So yeah, other than that, I mean, the platform is very self-explanatory. It's very nice that you can actually click on the different platforms. You have TikTok, you have Facebook, and you have all these different, you know, filters that you can mess with. It's honestly a lot to take in. But I definitely would check it out. I do want to say I am not affiliated with Big Spy. I'm not getting paid to make this video or anything like that. I'm always upfront with you guys. If I was ever get paid for something, I would be upfront with you. I actually have this platform and I am using it and I am testing it out and I'm just sharing it for you guys. So yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. But before you guys go, I did promise you that I was gonna give away something for free. So go ahead and check the pinned comment. I put a link there. All you have to do is click it, put in your email, I believe, and you'll get this whole sheet for free. This is a product research sheet, and this is the sheet that I use, you know, to stay organized with my product research. A lot of you guys will do product research, and you'll find products, and then, you know, you'll go about your day, go about your business, and then you'll be like, oh shit, what was that product that I was gonna test? And then you completely forgot, and that's because you're not organized. So this sheet right here, it's pretty self-explanatory. So when I find a product, I type in the product name. I type in the supplier link. So, you know, if you're using CJ Dropshipping, you're using ZenDrop, I'll go and look up the product and then I'll put the link here. The competitor link, so I showed you guys in that previous clip where I was showing you that company, you would put their competitor link right here. You'd put their actual website so that way you can refer back to it later. You're gonna put the product cost with the shipping cost all together. And then you're gonna put the sale price. This is the price that you're gonna actually price your product for. And then your break-even ROAS and your break-even point. I put these two in here just because they're pretty, you know, you need to know your break-even ROAS and your break-even point. Even if you're not the best when it comes to Facebook ads as far as looking at the analytics, you need to know what your margins are. You need to know at least these two things, okay? And I put that all right here for you. So here's a product criteria. It says product needs to solve a problem or create a desire. It has to have a minimum margin of $20 or 3x the price of the product. The product must be unique and not found in stores. And then I give you the equations for break-even ROAS, which is the sale price divided by the margin. And then your break-even point, which is your margin, is sell price minus the product cost, which you'll grab right here. And then you're gonna enter that right there. And now you'll be able to stay organized with your product research. So when I go to test products, this will all be filled up, right? And I'll start from the top and just go down. Okay, it's not a winner, I'll take it off. And then I'll go on to the next product and so on and so forth. So yeah, I hope you guys utilize the sheet. I hope it helps you out. If you are gonna download it, let me know in the comments section. And yeah, that's gonna do it for the video. I hope you guys did enjoy. I appreciate every single one of you guys that have made it to this far in the video. That really means a lot to me. Let me know in the comment section what you guys wanna see from me. I am gonna be posting every Friday from now on, so I'm gonna need your ideas. So if you guys wanna see Facebook ad strategy or a tutorial on a certain platform or how to make a Shopify store from scratch or anything like that, let me know in the comment section. Leave a like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And yeah, I'll see you guys next Friday.